Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Sarnia, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a company with a proven track record of local and long-distance moves in the Sarnia, Ontario area. If you choose to work with us, you will be working with experts on the logistics involved in a moving project. Long-distance moves are those where the distance from the old location to the new one exceeds 160 kilometers. Sometimes this distance can fall within the same district, but it would still be considered a long-distance move. For these types of projects, the weight of your cargo is an important consideration. Your belongings are weighed on the truck to give you a per-pound cost estimate. This means that the number of items you'll be transporting has a direct relationship with the price. You could get in touch with one of our professional evaluators so they can help you determine the best way to downsize to save you money. Local moves for those that fall inside the 160-kilometer radius. In most cases, labor costs are the ones you need to consider. Labor is charged at an hourly rate based on loading and unloading items. While we offer a full range of services including packaging, you could package your items before delivery to reduce loading time and overall costs. Another alternative is doing away with items that you no longer need. You could make use of our storage solutions in case you have something that you don't have space for yet at the new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our moving business offers extra services from which to choose. Sarnia, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.